Today I will discuss frothy bloat in cattle, a common nutritional disorder associated with grazing lush legume pastures. This topic is important because it affects animal health, producer profitability, and grazing management decisions. Frothy bloat is the overdistension of the rumen, with gases produced during fermentation. Under normal conditions, rumen microbes ferment forage and produce gases that are released through eructation, or belching. However, in frothy bloats, these gases become trapped within a stable foam and cannot escape normally. As the gas continues to accumulate, pressure inside the rumen increases. This pressure can interfere with breathing and circulation by compressing the lungs and major blood vessels. If left untreated, frothy bloat can rapidly become a life-threatening condition. Frothy bloat is most commonly associated with grazing legume forages such as white clover and alfalfa. The greatest risk occurs when these forages are lush, immature, and rapidly growing. Hungry cattle are particularly susceptible because they tend to consume large amounts of forage very quickly. These plants contain soluble proteins and other compounds that help stabilize foam in the rumen. Once the foam forms, the fermentation gases become trapped and normal gas release is prevented. White clover is especially important because it's commonly found in many grazing systems and has been frequently associated with bloat outbreaks. There are several signs producers should watch for when monitoring their cattle. Affected animals often develop distension of the left flank, which is one of the most recognizable signs of bloat. Cattle may also show discomfort, reduced grazing activity, rapid breathing, open mouth breathing, tongue protrusion, reluctance to move, and may even kick at their abdomen because of pain. The consequences can be severe. Animals may experience reduced weight gain, require veterinary treatment, or die if intervention is not provided. Because of these outcomes, frothy bloat can create significant economic losses for producers. Fortunately, frothy bloat is often preventable through good management practices. Producers should avoid turning hungry cattle directly onto lush legume pastures. Feeding hay before turnout can help reduce rapid consumption of high-risk forage. Cattle should also be gradually adapted to legume-rich pastures rather than being exposed suddenly. Maintaining mixed grass legume stands instead of pure legume stands can further reduce risk. Finally, producers should closely monitor cattle during periods when bloat is most likely to occur, especially during the spring growing season. If bloat does occur, prompt treatment is important because severe cases can progress rapidly. Common treatments include anti-foaming agents such as paloxylene, mineral oil, and vegetable oil. These products help break down the stable foam and allow gases to be released. In severe situations, veterinary intervention may be necessary to relieve pressure within the rumen, including the use of cannula for direct access to the rumen as seen in the image. The sooner treatment is provided, the better the outcome is likely for the animal. I chose frothy bloat because it demonstrates how a forage can provide both benefits and risks to cattle. Legumes such as white clover are highly nutritious and can improve animal performance, but they can also create serious health problems if not managed properly. As someone interested in animal health and veterinary medicine, I find it interesting how close forage management, nutrition, microbiology, and animal physiology are all connected. This topic highlights the importance of understanding not only what we feed animals, but also how these feeds interact with the digestive system. As producers, frothy bloat should matter to you, because it can take a healthy, productive animal and turn it into a financial loss within a matter of hours. Every animal loss represents lost income, lost genetic potential, and years of investment. Even when cattle survive, treatment can be expensive and time-consuming. The good news is that frothy bloat is often preventable, but by understanding the risk and factors, we can then recognize the signs early and implement proper grazing management practices. Producers can safely utilize high-quality legume pastures while protecting animal health and maintaining profitability. Ultimately, understanding frothy bloat helps producers make better management decisions, improve animal welfare, and maximize the benefits of their grazing systems. Thank you.